So today we are going to talk about the new medical instrument that is known as suction machine, or we call it aspirator also. So what is the aspirator? It's a medical device that is being used to suction out the mucus from the airway. It could be any secretion, it could be the blood, or it could be the fluid from any body cavity. Now let us see some of the parts in this aspirator. Inside there is a vacuum pump that creates the suction with the negative pressure, and you can see when we are suctioning there is a vacuum control, we call it vacuum regulator also, and there is a vacuum gauge. You can see there are the two jars on the top, which when we are suctioning out from the patient any fluid, so it goes directly into the jar, and there is another jar. Sometimes it takes a lot of fluid we are going to suction out from the patient's body. Then we have the overflow regulator. We are going to use multiple type of suction catheters in this. Let us say we have three types of suction catheters which we are going to use. One is vessel tipped catheter, one is open tipped catheter, and in this one what we are going to commonly use, that is Yancour suction catheter. There are the different types of suction pressures what we are going to use, and you are seeing it competitive exams also. Like there is the preterm. In preterm we are going to use suction pressure of 40 to 60 mmHg. In preterm babies we are going to use 60 to 80 mmHg of pressure. Then in infants we are going to use 80 to 100 mmHg of suction pressure, and in children and adults we are going to use same 100 to 120 mmHg suction pressure. There are some of the key points which we need to remember when we are doing suctioning of a patient. Always pre and post suctioning 100% we have to oxygenate the patient. In adults the duration of suctioning should be 10 to 15 seconds. In children it should be 5 to 10 seconds, and in infants it should be 5 to 10 seconds again. Always remember, during suctioning, the suction should not pass beyond 15 seconds. Monitor the vital signs during the suctioning. The waste that you have gotten, it should be discarded into a biohazard container. Always remember, after completing the suctioning, we have to clean the machine with the help of 1% hypochlorite.